this practice model for Microsoft Word, we are going to build 4 projects. So we are going to design our own complementary card. We are going to build our own CV. We are going to build a report system, and we are going to also prepare an accurate table of content for research work. So we are going to start today with our complementary card. And with this card, we are going to use Canva and Microsoft Word. So we are going to design something like the one that you can see here that I designed myself for my foundation. So here we are going to learn how to sign up. We are going to remove background from image. Sometimes the picture, you see that the picture has some images, some background. We are going to remove them. In this model, we are going to revise on how to wrap text and how to position as we did in our previous lesson. We are also going to learn about resizing the picture to its correct size. We are going to group items, and also we are going to revise our basic format and how to copy paste and stuff like that. So let's quickly go to Canva. So if it is your first time and you type canva.com, so let me start everything so that you will see what I mean by that. It is going to bring you here. Then you have to sign up. In the signing up, you'll be asked, do you want to sign up with your Google or you want to sign up with just typing your password and email? I always prefer signing up with my email. So I'm using my personal email for the signing. So immediately you do it, it'll take you to the dashboard. Okay. So it is loading. It was taking some time because this is your first time. So they're asking, what will you use Canva for? So being a student, a teacher, a personal, so you can choose any of them. But me, I am choosing student. Then I'm choosing university. You have to continue. They will ask you questions like that. Then I prefer to skip this because I don't need them. Then let me go. I don't need all these ones. Now you are there. Congratulations. So you are done with your first one. After you are done, you can basically search what you want here. So here, I'm going to teach you how to do complementary card. So you can search business card. Business card here. You can just search business card. And when you search the card, you see all the cards. They will pop up. So probably you see the card I used. This is the one I used. There's also another one here. Then you see them as they are a lot of them. So you can go through them and just design something nice for yourself. It is very important in these days. Not always every day for you to walk around and someone asks you your contact and you'll be doing 024. Please, you're in the university. You need to look professional. So today we are going to use this one. So you just have to click on it to open it. So immediately it opens, you see. So the first one is Claudio Alves. So let's change this to, let's say, my name. I'm just using my name. So I'm using Ernest. So I want you to pay attention to this. You see it was bold, but when you change it, then the text becomes somewhere. But you can easily format it as you want. So I'm just doing Ernest Larbi, and so that's my name. Then you expand it for it to fit, as you can see now. When you finish, Ctrl+B, that you know is still bold over here. Then you just have to write something small about yourself. Okay, so when you look at this, I wrote, I'm a software developer, a data analyst, a Microsoft Office expert, a speaker, and a trainer. So you just have to write something. So software developer, right? Developer. So data analyst, data analyst. So you do this. Then let me expand this for you to see. Sure, so you can see data analyst. So here, if you have so many things to write, see that in order not for it, you do copy and paste, Control P and Control V to paste it. So here, then write something. So let me say I wrote a Microsoft, so I wrote, so let me make it a Microsoft Expert, just this, Microsoft Office Expert. Just let me just use only this. So you can see that this one, the comma never came, so you just have to do it like this. So that is that. When you get here, let's try and correct the telephone number. So I will easily write 054776161 as my number here. Then let me just do the other one. 899. I mean, I don't need to give you my correct number like that. You just have to just do any number that will match what you have. So here you can see that the contact looks small. So you can increase it to what you want. I mean, I'm not saying increase it to the extent that it's going to spoil everything, but you just have to increase it. Let me just keep it like this. Now, this, I just have to use my email for the first one. So let's see, edsa@gmail.com. Then let's delete all that they have here. Okay, now let's write something here. So let's see another one, online tutorial at gmail.com. So this is another email. Assuming you have this email, just have to change this to, let's say, let me make this Legon, then Accra, right? So here, if you feel it is small, you can increase it. Okay, can increase it, but always try to achieve consistency. You know, this font size is 6. You don't have to use this being 5. So if the contact is what, you can increase it. Okay, if you expand this, because at the end, a lot of people, when they get to this, is your contact that they are going to look at. So now we are done with this. If there is any editing you need to know, you have to do that. So quickly, you have to come here. This is the logo. I just want to delete it. Then let's say here. So BSc I'm just doing something. BED education. And let's write University of Ghana here. University of Ghana, like this here. But we just want it to be on the line, so I just have to make sure I drag this in the center. Now I have this. So at this point, I just want to insert picture. So always you have to make sure you have the picture readily available on your system. So when you get to this side, you see there is an upload button here. You can see upload. When you click on upload, you will see upload files. Then you use this button to go into your root directory to just look for the picture. So I am looking for pictures here. So let me use University of Ghana, right? University of Ghana here. So it will upload University of Ghana picture here for me. You say this is the only picture I have. Then you come and drag it here. When you finish, resize it to the size that you want. I mean, we're just doing something here. University of Ghana here. You can see this one fit perfectly. Okay, so in the subsequent one I'm going to do, we are going to look at how to remove background in case this picture has some background. Okay, so that is basically what we are going to remove. If there is some background around this, they are going to, but for now we have, something nice for you to show. Okay, so I want you to be with me, so we move on to the next episode as we just record the other one. So I just want us to try and change the picture that we are using here. Okay, so let's replace University of Ghana image with other image. So I will show you how to remove the background as I told you about. So let's try to delete this picture. Okay. So now let's upload another picture. Let's try to upload another picture. So let's go here and okay, let's upload. Permit me to use another picture. Where is it? Okay, let's try and use this picture. So if you want to use this picture, you open the picture. Then when you open the picture, you can clearly see that the picture actually has some backgrounds around this picture. Okay, so we are basically going to put this here. So you drag, you see, you put it on it, you drag, then you put it here. This is very big. Try to resize it. You can see that this picture actually has some background. Okay, so let's try and remove all the background. Then we are using this picture. So you go into your browser, open a new tab, then type remove BJ or just remove background. You can just search remove background, but remove BJ is basically remove background. Then you see the website remove.bg. So you just click on that link, the first one that appeared. Then they are asking you to upload your image. Quickly go into your files, then SPC. This is the picture. Now you go there. Immediately you upload the picture, you see all the background is gone. Let me also take this opportunity to explain something. Sometimes you are applying for University of Ghana, and the school asks you that they want you to use a picture that has a white background, but the picture that you took has a different background. That is how we change the background to fit what the university is asking you to do. You just have to go to more edit here. You see, when you go to the edit, you can edit with colors. You see this, colors. When you go to colors, you can see all the various colors are here. So if you choose any of the colors here, you can choose white. Here you can actually change all the color. You can cancel it and choose any color you want. If you do this, you are done. You can simply click on download to download the picture that has this background. But that is not what I need. I need right now. So I don't need it. So I just need the one with no background. I just have to download only this picture, download image. So I just brought that because we have to apply what we know to solve different problems. Now let's go back here, delete this picture, upload the picture that we just got. So you go to your downloads, you see, where's my yes? So you see now this picture is not having any background. Okay, so you just have to upload this picture. Now it is loading. It is loading, so give it some time. Boza. So now it's done. Drag this picture here, put it here. You see now the picture is not having any background again. You put the picture here. So sometimes you will be having pictures that have background. Before you can use them, you have to remove the background. This is just for you to, see something and understand them for yourself, but you are not going to use this picture. So I just want you to delete it as well. And come and drag University of Ghana picture here. That's more formal. Okay, so we are done for the first part of this project. These are the colors. The colors are here. You can actually change the colors. Okay, so if you want to change the colors, you can change it. If you think these colors, you don't like them, you can change it. So if you click on this, the color will pop up here. You'll be able to change all the colors that you want. But I don't like those colors. I just want to stick to the ones that I have. Okay, good. So now if you want to save your work, go to share. When you click on share, you see download here. Click on downloads. Then you see the suggested is PNG. That is a picture. You can save it as PDF. Okay, but we want to save this as picture, so PNG. So as I was saying, you save it as PNG. So you click on this, you see the download button. Then you see there is another page here for you to see, but we don't need this. We need only the first one. So when you click on share, download, then the PNG selected, you see the pages. We need only what? Page 1. So you choose page 1. You will see it here. Sorry, so you just type page 1. That's all. Then the page 1 will be ready for you. Let's go and view it. After you download it, you see that our complimentary card is ready. But we are not done, because this alone, if you take it to anyone to print it for you, it will print it as a full picture A4 on one A4 sheet. So we are going to our Microsoft Word and we are going to edit this. Okay, so just open a blank document, and now I want you to change the orientation to landscape. I showed you when you go to layout, we have orientation and you have portrait and you have landscape. If you change it to landscape, you are good to go. Now go to your insert tab and go to pictures, this device. Then you are going to go to quick access button, or you can quickly look at download, where the picture can be located depending on how your file structure works. So I'm going to insert this picture. Immediately I insert this picture, the picture comes with its own dimension, that is its own size. Let me try and use narrow margin. I showed you all this in our previous meetings. Margins, I'm going to use narrow margins, so you see that there is a small line here. Now you can see that if you select this and you go to picture format, the height and the size, everything is here. You can actually change it, but I want us to see how many of these cards will fill one row. So I'm going to copy, Ctrl+P, then paste, Ctrl+V. Then I'm going to paste it again, Ctrl+V. You see that now this is covering some part here for me. Okay, but it seems too small. So let's undo this and increase the size here. Select it, picture format again. Then let's increase the width to, let's say 9. Okay, 9. You see that it's become big. Then control copy and paste. Then you see that you can't drag it, because I told you this picture cannot be moved unless you change it. So what you have to do is, I want you to tell me, you right click on the picture, you go to wrap text, in front of text. If you've not forgotten, you can now move this. Now do Ctrl+C, copy, Ctrl+P, paste, and you see, because you did it for that, it will still be movable. Okay, it will still be movable. So drag this here, then drag this, make sure you align them. Now we are done with this. So what you have to do is now select all the three. Control, you select this, then you press on the control button, then you click anywhere. Okay, anywhere to select it. I think this one, because we didn't change the style, make it in front of this, that's why it is doing this. Do it like this, then you see that the problem will be solved. Then this one, control, then click anywhere, select this one, control, you press control, click anywhere. See, now we have been able to select all the three pictures. So let's copy all of them as a go. Copy, then let's paste, Ctrl+V, paste. You see, it has just done the pasting for you. Now if you don't press anywhere, you just press control and you drag this one down, you see that it will come smoothly. It will come. So just do this one too. I think it came double, so let's do this, and try and move this one to down. Okay, so this is in fact how things are going to be. So we have this, let's align them here nicely, and now we are good to go. So you just have to align them for them to fit as you do the editing. This one I'll leave them for you to do, but I just want to see how the complementary card looks like. So that's what you are going to have. If you do Ctrl+P, it's going to show you how the whole thing is going to be. So this is the whole complementary card that we have. Back, I just want us to finish editing this. So let's do the aligning. Make sure this aligned well. You go here nicely. You do the aligning, try this. Sometimes there's a concept I'm going to show you how you bring rulers and everything to see that what you are doing is supposed to be the nice way. So now I am actually done with the whole thing that I'm supposed to do. So I just want us to save it, Control P. You are going to save it as PDF. Save as, browse to my Jesse folder. This is the folder that I have dedicated for all the work we have been doing. So I go to Jesse folder and I do card. So instead of saving it as Word document, always save it as PDF. The reason is, if you are going to print it as a card and you save it as PDF, it makes it very easier for them to print and also for you to see. So now if you save this, it is going to open and you are seeing your card very nicely designed here. So if they are going to print, they can easily print and you see it colored. You ask them to print it colored, then color them black and white. Then the one going to print is going to do everything for you. So this is the first project that you have been able to work. As I told you, it is good you do this and have the experience. Do it and submit me this, what you do. Then after that, your assignment is, after you submit this, you are also going to use another template that I gave you here. Let me go there. I think I have them here. Go there and choose the one that you prefer. Then you use that to design another one for me. Okay, I want you to go here and choose any other one. So you can use this one or something. After that, after doing the first one, then you can put something nice here, not University of Ghana. If you are in a company, you are working or something, you put the name of the company here, design it nicely and send it to me. So after here, we are going to work on another project. So this is going to be the end of our first work that we are supposed to do that I couldn't submit you this. So go through this. In our meeting tonight, we will go through any problem that you are going to face. We are going to do everything together. So stay safe.